In this video, we will show you how to creating a Google Earth project and save places on Google Earth. First, to creating a project on Google Earth, you need to click the Google Earth on the Android. We will show you how to create both on Android and also on desktop. For example, you can just click create new project, or you can just click directly explore the Earth. Okay. After that, for example, you find the places that you want to save on the Google Earth. Okay, for example, let's see. For example, we want to save the places in here. Okay, for example, you want to save places in here. Okay, here, for example, and we need to click this. Okay, just click this, add place mark here. Then you can save to the project. Okay, you can see there is two options. The project can save on the local GML file or on the Google Drive. We recommend you to using Google Drive because if you are this, you can synchronize in your account between on the desktop or on the Android, and also you can share them into other friends. Okay, just click here, and for example, this is the places that you want to save for the name, and I just save with my project one. This is just for example, and click done. And your project be useful if you give the name is using the around of the places. For example, in here you can see there is general. Okay, you can edit your project by clicking this. You can add, for example, my general. You can give the name like this, for example, to better remember what this is project about. Just click done, and you can see you have done with your project here. And whenever you exit the Google Earth and you want to go to your project, okay, for example, here you can see there is untitled project. We click, you can see my general. Okay, you can also give the title for your project, general, for example, like this, and click save. And when you back, you have the listed project here. You can export HTML, you can share with your friends or others. Okay, now how to create the project on the desktop? On the desktop is maybe easier. You can open the Google Earth first, and this is the desktop view. We have the general project. Okay, when you open the Google Drive, and you can just click explore the Earth. You can create another project, for example here. For example, you can add the place by clicking this, or add the place mark. Just click in here, for example, and select new map. Okay, and for your project, you can give the name Lexington. Okay, and click done after that. Okay, and in here you can see this is the title of your project. You can add also Lexington, and you can share with the others about your project or coordinate or location. And that's how to create a project and save location on Google Earth. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.